The Nike Air Force 1 gets another clean material refresh with the new black and smoke gray colorway, offering a sleek mix of texture, depth, and subtle contrast. This pair keeps the iconic AF1 shape but switches up the mood through its materials. The upper combines textured smoke gray leather on the mudguard, eyestays, and heel with smooth black nubuck on the toe box and midfoot, giving the sneaker a layered and premium look. The natural grain on the leather brings extra character, while the nubuck base keeps everything sharp and minimal. One of the standout details is the multi-tone embroidered swoosh, adding raised texture and a more crafted feel compared to the synthetic styles seen on recent AF1 releases. You also get cursive Nike embroidery on the heel and a clean black-on-black tongue tag to match the overall vibe. Finishing the look is a fully blacked-out sole unit, tying the whole monochrome design together. The Nike Air Force 1 Black and Smoke Gray is available now in select regions, with a US release coming soon.